Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday outside of just Laravel topic about broadly web development and career and project management and productivity and stuff like that. Today I want to talk about, in my opinion, number one reason why tasks fail and projects fail. Not because of the bad code or juniority or seniority of developers. It's mostly about communication. So the task is doomed to fail at the very beginning if the parties, all involved parties, are not in the same line, on the same page on what is the definition of done. So when the manager gives you the task as a developer, or you give your task yourself, or someone else defines the task, there need to be three questions asked. And the idea comes from a tweet from David Perel, who is not a developer, he's a content writer. And the tweet is about delegation of the task, and I will link the tweet in the description below of this video, but it totally applies to development. So when you give someone else the task, or when the task is given to you, three things need to happen. First, the vision. What is the vision? What is the goal of that task? Sometimes project managers share the user story for that. So what is the vision of the success? Second thing is resources. What resources are needed? And I'm sorry about the lighting, by the way, I'm shooting that from my car in the evening, so some advertisement here in the background. Anyway, so resources. Who needs to participate? What things need to be done for that task to succeed for you as a developer? Do you need design? Do you need some copywriting? Do you need anything, anyone? Resources. They need to be defined at the very beginning. Also scheduling, who does what and when for you to succeed. And number three is that definition of done that I've mentioned earlier. So what is done and by when? So by when do you need to launch that as a final feature in the client? So release that. By when do you need the internal testing, and what should be the features, like sub features? Do you need like all 100% done, or is it 80% done or something like that? And how that final version should look like. So a lot of those things may be miscommunicated. So the feature, draw the dashboard and put the chart there, is okay, but then should the chart be live updated, or what is the source of the chart? Who is responsible to get the data for this chart? So a lot of those things can be unclear, and this is where the tasks fail. As I said, it happens usually in the very beginning. So when discussing the task in the very beginning, make sure that you have all those three things discussed: the vision, the resources, and the definition of done. And then you have bigger chance to deliver on time, on budget, without stress for yourself, for your manager, and for the end goal client. Do you agree with my thought? What would you add more to that list? What is required for a task to be successful from developer point of view? Shoot in the comments below, and see you guys in other videos.